wanna turn math fair to math joy? Do you wanna have innovative education? Do you wanna get an access to Excel solutions? Nischal Smart Learning Solutions. Nischal Smart Learning Solutions.
Hello, I have a surprise for you. Before I begin, one thing. Are your children afraid of mathematics? Does math drive them away? Do you wonder each day how to grow their interest in math? Math fear to math joy. Nischal Narayanam, the double Guinness Book of World Record holder, and Ganit Havdani brings you an outstanding and wonderful gift. Nischal MathLab, which will make math easy to understand and enjoyable.
Nischal Smart Learning Solutions Private Limited Company. Underneath this as tagline, the words Access to Excel appear. NCERT, New Delhi, the most prestigious organization, that is, National Council of Educational Research and Training, has empaneled it. In southern India, the sole organization attaining such stature is Nischal's. Throughout our country, how the syllabus of the students should be, this NCERT only designs. This organization not only empaneled Nischal's for schools, the teaching aids it creates are also produced in Nischal's Smart Learning Solutions. That means NCERT is among Nischal's clients. Mathematics Laboratory, created by such a renowned company, is the Nischal MathLab.
ఈ మ్యాథ్ ల్యాబ్ బేసికల్గా ఒక మెయిన్ మోటో ఏంటంటే మనం వింటూ నేర్చుకుంటే మనకి 50% అర్థమవుతుంది అండ్ చూస్తూ నేర్చుకుంటే 80% అర్థమవుతుంది కానీ చేస్తూ నేర్చుకుంటే 100% అర్థమవుతుంది.
Nischal Narayanam. In 2006-2009, exhibiting memory power at its zenith, entered twice into the Guinness World Records. He developed the products of this MathLab, stayed central to pupils studying any syllabus. MathLab products would clearly teach mathematics. To say much more, we can put it that these tools are the greatest in the world. Why? Because studying the Eastern and Western mathematics, Nischal developed these concepts as a good combination. Indian, German, Russian, Scottish, Chinese, conventional. Observing all these math theorems, systems and assimilating the easy methods, the treasure trove of solutions Nischal created is MathLab.
ఈ మ్యాథ్ ల్యాబ్లో మనం లెక్కలు నేర్చుకోం కానీ లెక్కలు ఎలా నేర్చుకోవాలో నేర్చుకుంటాం.
In the entire world, this kind of mathematics laboratory nowhere is seen. 100% is nowhere.
మాకు ఎన్ని వ్యాపారాలు ఉన్నా సరే ఈ నిశ్చల్ డెవలప్ చేసిన ప్రోడక్ట్స్ని చూసి నేను ఆశ్చర్యపోయాను. అదే కాకుండా ఇది సర్టన్గా త్రూఅవుట్ వరల్డ్ అంతమంది పిల్లలకి ఇది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో అని చెప్పి. ఎందుకంటే ఇది డెవలప్ ఫర్ ఆల్ వరల్డ్ కరిక్యులమ్స్కి డెవలప్ చేశారు. అది
Knowledge is a gift to cherish. Master Nischal brings this wonderful gift for your children. So are you ready? Here we go.
Looking, aren't you? In this very compact looking red box, in cute packings, 21 mathematics teaching concepts are there. In this, 6 are very valuable particulars containing books. All these put together, we call it MathLab. With invaluable concepts, this mathematics laboratory is priced at 18,999 rupees only. To own this MathLab, you may please contact these phone numbers.
Nischal Smart Learning Solution. It's a company founded on the grounds of promoting literacy and practical applications of mathematics. A company with an aim to give each child an access to excel. Mentored by Master Nischal Nanayanam, the youngest mentor in the world. We often come across laggards and wish we could help them. Well, here is an opportunity. Come forward and join hands with Nischal Foundation. All you have to do is buy these exciting products of Nischal MathLab, and you can help the one who want to excel but lag behind. Nischal was just 9 years old when he realized that there is no way to learn math practically. He took it as a challenge and determined to find a way out until he created what is known today as Nischal MathLab.
Nischal one day, on being back to home, "Mom, today I couldn't understand lesson. 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Our teacher is explaining, but I couldn't understand it properly." He said so, pulling a long face. "Let's see. Bring your book here." After my asking, his bringing book. In it containing explanations about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. The book having suitable pictures, we saw. However, lesson was not understood. "Not so, Mom. If I have any models, through them, understanding this lesson may be easy. Let's find in the market, Mom," he said. We wandered in the market. We could get nothing about those shapes. On being back to home, "Mom, I will prepare all those things myself." "Arrange a carpenter, Mom," he insisted. Then I arranged a carpenter. After 1 week, when I observed, he prepared around 30 shapes that laid the foundation for the MathLab.
In 2006లో ప్రైమరీ మ్యాథ్ ల్యాబ్ లాంచ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అండ్ దాంట్లో బేసికల్గా ప్రైమరీ మ్యాథ్ సంబంధించిన కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉండడం జరిగింది, డిజైన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. కానీ దానికి అప్గ్రేడేషనే ఈ న్యూ హైయర్ మ్యాథ్ ల్యాబ్. దీంట్లో మన ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి 10th క్లాస్ వరకు యూజ్ అయ్యే అంటే కవర్ అయ్యే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ సంబంధించి అన్ని మోడల్స్ దీంట్లో ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. లైక్ అరిథమెటిక్, ఆల్జీబ్రా, జామెట్రీ, కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ, ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ, మెన్సురేషన్, అలా వివిధ సెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ సంబంధించిన మోడల్స్ మనకి ఇక్కడ లభిస్తాయి.
There are so many theorems and formulae in mathematics and it's difficult to learn them all. But when we do it practically with Nischal MathLab, we recall them instantly.
The name of this red tool, which appears like a scale, is number line. It is cute and colorful, isn't it? Yeah, children like this very much. On this, on one side, 0 to 20 numbers would be there. On another side, at the center, 0 would be there on either side. 1 to 10 plus numbers and minus numbers would be there. Over this, like this. Keeping pegs, additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, all could be explained to enable the tender brains understand. All those particulars are available in the book and animated DVD in your kit. I just can't say how much our children like the tiny characters in these animated forms. Nischal number balance. This too is very cute, like Nischal number line, isn't it? This could be totally dismantled and reassembled. For children, this also is a mental exercise, okay? On this, both the sides, 1 to 10 numbers have been marked. Now, see the fun. On number balance, shall we do 5 plus 3 addition? First, on one side, near number 5, let's hang a weight. Let's hang another weight at number 3. Adding these two, how much is it to be seen? This weight. First, let's keep it 1. Next 2, 3. Likewise, if we go on adding, at 8, both the sides are balanced. That's it. How simple it is. On this, we can introduce our naughty kids to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division like all the concepts.
Number line and number balance is a fun way to learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It's easy and very interesting. If you want to buy this kit separately, its price is $13.99. Do you dread geometry? It's easy. Yes, I know there are several theorems and their proofs. That's why we bring you a unique geometry set, Nischal geometry set.
In front of our house, what is the angle of beak of the bird which rests on the tree? What is the angle in it is also a part of mathematics. Geometric objects, their areas, perimeters, volumes are easily taught with the geometry set.
You can own your geometry set at just Rs 2,299 only. Do you know what's the relation between cylinder and cone? Still thinking? Do it yourself with Nischal shapes.
2D shapes mean two-dimensional shapes. These shapes have only 2 dimensions, length and breadth. 3D shapes mean 3-dimensional shapes. These shapes have not only length and breadth but also height.
All these wonderful shapes can be yours at just Rs 1999 only.
Pupils, to understand mathematics by themselves, these are useful. How to explain to pupils complex mathematical theories? To the mathematics teachers too, these are useful.
Students are exciting very much by seeing these.
Here we have MathLab to teach maths in a simplest way.
Using these products, the student will be easily understand.
Students are very excited to use the Nischal's products.
Using these models, explanation of mathematics is very nice.
We all know how easily kids get bored and give up on anything. However, every tool in Nischal MathLab is capable of keeping them busy. Isn't it challenging to discover new things each day? Let us know what our young explorers have to say about Nischal MathLab.
With the help of this MathLab, we are able to understand everything very well.
I had a fear of solving problems. They were very tough for me. I had made very silly mistakes, but after coming to this class, all my problems were solved. It was very difficult to me to have the square roots of many sums, but the tools and the other equipments made me easier to learn.
I feel it is very interesting here because they give the roots of the complex formulas and they help to understand better.
It's actually not maths fear but turns to maths joy.
At the age of 13, Master Nischal Narayanam won the prestigious National Child Gold Medal Award in 2008 and several other accolades for his exceptional achievement. Isn't that great? And when I see Nischal MathLab, I come to believe only such a genius child can build one.
మా మనవడి గురించి అందరూ చెప్పుకుంటుంటే మాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. లెక్కల గురించి ఏ వస్తువులు తయారు చేశాడు.
at another cute math tool in the MathLab. With the yellow color, red numbers cutely and with scale-like appearance. This instrument is Nischal Napier bone set. With so many numbers, the multiplication may be given if the magic wand of Napier bones is in hand. Within moments, rapidly, it could be done.
Nischal Napier boons for each set, price is Rs 1,399 only. Nischal MathLab brings you another exciting product, Multilink Cubes. These bright colored cubes are capable of teaching numerous concepts to your children from KG to PG.
With these, even the tender kids can be taught about additions, subtractions, multiplications, and also colors. Likewise, for a bit grown-up children, area, perimeter, volume, Pythagoras theorem, etc. too could be clearly understood.
If you want to buy this Multilink cube, you can own them for Rs 3099 only.
One, two, three. Till it has got written on the slate, children do not know about the most important language, mathematics. Till now, mathematics should be learnt basing only on the principles and theories. So teaching and learning too is somehow a problem. Now with MathLab, children can learn mathematics playfully.
Learning by doing is very useful. It gives immense joy when you spend time exploring rather than studying for long hours. It's simple. There can be 1,000 possible ways to solve a problem. Nischal MathLab gives you that platform.
Nischal MathLab not only develops your mathematics skills but also develops your entire brain activities. It improves your logical thinking, your lateral thinking, it increases your speed, your accuracy, and not only it increases your academic performance, but it increases the overall child's performance.
Tangram. In this, 7 geometric shapes are there. These are called tans. Then, these 7 tans could be arranged differently as per our imagination, and different objects could be created. With these 7 tans, if it is said that 6,30,000 meaningful objects could be made.
If you want to own this separately, you can have it for Rs 499 only. Have you noticed that we have fully functional laboratories of physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, electronics, etc. But there is no laboratory for a subject so obligatory. Mathematics, being the mother of all sciences, seems to be defunct without a functional lab. As they do not have lab for math, teachers are limited to books only. For deeper understanding of mathematics, Master Nischal Narayanam has created MathLab.
Nischal's company's products of mathematics are used worldwide in educational institutions. Nischal MathLab tools are empaneled by National Council of Educational Research and Training. Not only that, Nischal's company is producing the instruments sent as tools to those schools by that organization, along with the government schools of Andhra Pradesh, in Haryana in educational scheme of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, in Maharashtra, government schools, in Italy, Udain University, GMR group of institutions, Kendriya Vidyalayas too use these. Besides, in Rajasthan, Puducherry, Nashik, Pune also. In these schools, Nischal MathLab is being utilized. World over, 50,000 MathLab units are being used in schools now. To own this MathLab, you may please contact these phone numbers.
August 2010 at Hyderabad, the most prestigious international congress of mathematicians was held. There are our young developers of Nischal MathLab. Our very own math genius, Nischal Narayanam from Andhra Pradesh, was appreciated for his remarkable achievement by renowned scholars from over 95 countries across the world.
Many mathematicians from Andhra Pradesh have distinguished themselves. Professor C.R. Rao ranks among the leading international figures in statistics. Professor Meenakshi Sundaram's contributions to the study of the heat equation are well known to the mathematical community. Professor K. Chandrasekharan was the architect of the School of Mathematics of the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in Mumbai. Professor K.G. Ramanathan, who helped Chandrasekharan build that school, taught at Osmania University. We also have Master Nischal Narayan, a child prodigy from Hyderabad, a double Guinness World Record holder and designer and developer of a unique mathematics laboratory. We are indeed proud of the contributions of these outstanding mathematicians from Andhra Pradesh.
Trundle wheel, it's indeed a toy, but it's actually used for measuring long distance. It is a surveyor chain in its simplified form. It has a sturdy yoke design, non-slip tire and a click-in device. So are you ready to trundle? Nischal trundle wheel is priced at just Rs 1,799 only.
We are taking how much quantity of food. The weight of the material in the apple we eat is how much. In cooking, which ingredients are used in what proportion. All these, mother while learning herself. For teaching kids, the instrument is weighing balance.
Nischal weighing balance is just for Rs 1699 only.
World top-class mathematical geniuses were born in India. Even prior to Newton, Nilakantha discovered infinite geometric progression convergence series. Heliocentric theory was explained by Aryabhatta 1000 years prior to Copernicus. Then Madhavacharya, Bhaskaracharya, Brahmagupta, Mateswaracharya, Srinivasa Ramanujam, and Shakuntala Devi. Like this, the tradition of mathematical geniuses has been continued by Nischal Narayanam.
By memorizing his 225
Nischal Narayana has achieved Guinness World Record status in the category.
At the age of 9, in front of stalwarts like the then Governor, His Excellency, Mr. Sushil Kumar Shinde, Dr. K. Rosaya, Dr. Akineni Nageshwar Rao, Madugula Nagafani Sharma, in the jam-packed Ravindra Bharati has performed Ganita Avadanam, The most talented, child prodigy, prince of mathematics and memory, the ultimate brain, Nischal Narayanam.
We have spent about 2.5 hours here. There was no moment I was feeling to go out of this stage. And I am quite confident a small master will bring laurels to our state and the country in the days to come.
After seeing his wonderful demonstration, mathematics is a means to express his excellence.
గణితావధానం అనేటువంటి ప్రక్రియ అపూర్వం. పూర్వం ఎప్పుడో మచిలీపట్నంలో ఒక పెద్ద ఆయన చేయగా నేను చూశాను గణితావధానం. అయితే కేవలం 9 ఏళ్ల కుర్రవాడు ఈ గణితావధానంతో పాటు అబేకస్ మొదలైనటువంటి కొన్ని ప్రక్రియలు కూడా కలిపి ఈ రకంగా చేయగలడం అనేది పూర్తిగా ఇది ఇదం ప్రథమంగా జరుగుతున్నటువంటి ఒక ప్రక్రియ. ఇది
గణితంలో ఒక విధమైనటువంటి శక్తిని సామర్థ్యాన్ని దాదాపు 9 సంవత్సరాలు 10 సంవత్సరాల వయస్సులోనే ఇతను నిశ్చలు సంపాదించగలిగాడు అంటే ఇది నిజంగా మన అందరం కూడా ఆనందించవలసినటువంటి విషయం.
9 సంవత్సరాల బాలుడు నారాయణం నిశ్చల్ గణిత శాస్త్రంలో అతను కనబరిచినటువంటి అసమాన ప్రతిభ అనన్య సామాన్యం.
9 ఏళ్ల వయస్సులో అద్భుతమైన ప్రతిభను ప్రదర్శించిన వాడు నారాయణ నిశ్చల్.
అటువంటి టాలెంట్ చూడటం చాలా 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 అరుదు. నేను నా జీవితంలో ఇదే మొదటిసారి చూశానేమో అనిపిస్తుంది.
Colorful and cute-looking Nischal dies and expanded notation is seen in Nischal MathLab. With these very actively, speedily counting numbers in a big number, finding out which number is in which place, creating geometric objects. Like this, in these colorful dies, many math concepts are there.
Nischal dies and expanded notations having 7, 8, 9 base dies. These dies, while imparting fun, help you calculate fast too. Its price is 999 only.
Then in this, a play tool called fractions is there. If an object is divided into parts, able to say correctly how many parts. With all these fractions, how easily could be understood is known, isn't it?
I have Nischal fractions for you. Its price is 1699 only. Did you know Master Nischal Narayanam is one of the 7 brilliant brains in the world? Yes, it is declared by National Geographic Channel.
What do you plan to do now in the future? Are there more, of these achievements?
My next plan is to start a memory institute, and I want to train many kids in this memory techniques.
One more exciting tool we always hear about but never get our hands on it is abacus. The abacus help you all to conduct mental calculations with lightning speed. Its price is just 1699 only. The amount of milk and the quantity of any liquid you wish to pour, measuring cups will accurately measure it for you. You can easily learn the relationship between quart, pint, ounce and ml. It can be yours in just rupees 499 only. Business games without any money? Nischal currency notes are here. Play your heart's content. Learn to exchange and value of money. Its price is just 599 only.
Midday, night, hours, minutes. All the concepts of time would be taught by 24-hour clock. Pupils in the classroom feel this 24-hour clock problems as quite difficult, but parents can easily teach at home.
Nischal 24-hour clock. It's an analog clock with both 12 hours and 24-hour format. You can buy it for just rupees 899 only. A unique yet simple Nischal geoboard can explain up to 250 concepts. Wondering how? Make shapes, numbers, angles and different geometric diagrams on it. Nischal geoboard can be yours at price 699 only.
2010 onwards, Nischal Smart Learning Solutions Private Limited Company's mentor. Nischal created record as the youngest in the world to have this position in Osmania University, admitted at the youngest age and created record. Nischal has given this gift to his contemporary children.
You may ask me, are there any books in Nischal MathLab? Yes, the amazing books that you have ever come across. The 4 pillars of mathematics, unlike conventional method, you can add and subtract from left to right. There are much more techniques explained in this book. These must-have books are for just rupees 799 only. Math a la carte. It's a ready reckoner. It has the definition and important concepts, conversion tables, interesting fact about numbers, and also the biographies of eminent mathematicians. You can buy this wonderful book for just rupees 245 only. Math Dictionary. A picture speaks 1,000 words. Find around 400 mathematical terms explained with 700 graphical images in Math Dictionary. Its price is rupees 159 only. Nischal MathLab is an amazing gift for your children. The tools are unbreakable and non-toxic, so they will never worn out and can be treasured forever. So what are you waiting for? Bring home Nischal MathLab today for better tomorrow of your children.